Till now, our program were using fixed values, but real program work with user input. In this video, you will learn how to take input from the user, how to store that input in a variable, how to perform simple calculations using that data. Okay, so why do we need user input? So if values are always fixed, the program is not useful for real user, as you know. We need a way to let the user type data. Like whenever you are using any software, you type it, you give your own data to use, you manipulate those data, you can give your personalized inputs to the system. So for example, we can enter your name, you can enter your age, you can enter two numbers and find their sum. So we will first create a file here and click on new file and create a file here. Let's suppose we give this user usr ip. Okay, I will use a capital letter and user ip dot java. That denotes user input dot java. Okay, press enter and then simply write here psvm, that is public static void main. Press enter and then for taking user input, for taking any input from user, we need to create a object of the class scanner. So here we will write scanner sc. This sc is the object name. We can use any other name, like for example I can give uh, cat, a cat, or a dog, anything I can give. This is the object name and then the syntax of creating an object of the class. See, as you can see here, VS Code is so smart that it has already given me the code. Once I press tab, I don't have to write it manually. I will press tab and I have created a object of the scanner class. Now what is a scanner class? What is an object? Don't panic right now. We will understand everything in details in upcoming videos. For now, we are just simply learning how to take user input. So the next thing which I will do, I will simply press enter and wait a minute. I will simply press enter and then I will write here sopln and press enter and then I will give a command that says enter your name. Okay, and then in the next line I will take a name as input. As you can see here, I am getting these suggestions because of the VS Code. So what I will do, I will just simply press tab and boom, I don't have to manually write it. Here string a variable name, a variable whose name is name of string data type has been created, and in that variable I want to store a name, that is a string, a word. So let's do that. So we can simply run this code and take input from the user. We can take the name of the user. For taking input, whenever we are taking input, at that time we cannot use this code runner extension. Okay, so whenever we want to take input, we have to go to the terminal and then compile our code there and then run the code from there. Then we can give any kind of input, take any kind of input from the user. Let me show you both the ways. Like if I will click here, this will run. Oh, we are getting an error. Scanner sc class scanner. Oh, sorry. Since we are using we are creating an object of the scanner class, but what error we got right now? Let me show you it to you once again. The Java compiler is telling me that what is this scanner? I don't know what is scanner. In my dictionary, I can't see anything named scanner. Can you please tell me what is scanner? So why this happened? Because we have not imported the scanner class from the package. Okay, so what we will do here, in the first line we will write here import java dot util. What is util? Util is the package. For now, don't panic, we will understand everything in details. please be connected. Please follow this whole playlist. We will understand everything in details. What is util, what is scanner. For now, for simplicity, just remember that util is a kind of folder. And inside that folder, we have a file named scanner. Okay, import java.util.scanner. Either we can do this if we, is there any spelling error? Cannot be resolved. Okay. Okay. So if we want to import simply a single file, if we want our Java compiler to know that we are using something, we are using any special functionality from some other files, a specific single file, then we can specifically mention that single file name here, like I have mentioned here scanner, and that file is present in the util named folder. In Java, we say folder as package. Okay. But if I want to include all the files which are present in this util folder, then at that time what we can do, we can write here star. Okay, import java.util.star. What do you mean by star? Star means that include all the files present in the util package. Here, as you can see, there's no name. Java is case sensitive language. If you write something as capital S, it will give no error because a scanner named file is present in the util package. Here what I have done, I have written small s, due to which Java is not able to find, the compiler is not able to find this thing, scanner, because it is written in small case, whereas the scanner class file is in capital case. Okay, this file, see, this file is nothing, but just simply these files. Just like we have created these files, abc.java, variables.java, simply this scanner is also a file like this. Okay, and in Java, we usually name our file with the first letter in capital case. Now, let's once again click on this run code button. See if we are getting any error or not. Run code. Okay, so what happened? In flow, I forgot to write the system dot scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. This thing. System dot in. Okay, now we will not get any error. Now, once again, click on this run code button. First, let's close this, pause this also, and then click on run code. See, enter your name. But if we are trying to enter something here, we put our cursor here and trying to enter this, we are not able to do that. Why? Because this is not the terminal. This is just a output console window. So for entering, for taking any input from user, we need to open our terminal. So how to open your terminal? You can simply go to this three dots and then click on terminal, then new terminal, or we also have a shortcut for that. Press Control Shift and then backtick. That is the key just left side of your one numeric key. Okay, press that. See, we have opened our terminal. Now here we will move on to our file, that is Java. And inside Java, let me show you once again. Right now, our this file is present. User input file is present in Java named folder. So in Java folder, we are right now in the Java folder. So here we will write Java C, that is Java compiler, and then write our file name usrie dot java and press enter. File not found. Uh, oh, sorry, wrong spelling. Let's write it once again. Java C usr. It was capital I and capital P, and then Java. Is it right? Or we can do one thing. We can uh, copy the name from here. Let's click this and check now the name is correct or not. Once again, name is wrong. Have I written I or L? Let's check with L. Java C user. What is the problem? I think I have to. 1 minute. No. Okay. So I was in the wrong directory. Okay, I was in not wrong directory. That Java user input dot Java file is present in the YT directory, I guess. Or what we can do, we can check the path here. Copy path and then open the terminal. E Oh yes, so I was right. This whole file is present in the YT directory, that is YT folder. So we don't have to move on to the Java folder. We will directly write here Java C, then usrip.java, press enter. So we are not getting any error. That means our whole program is syntactically correct. Now we will write Java, then our file name user IP. You can also write .java, or if you don't write also, then also it will work fine. Press enter. See, now we can enter our name. Now the user can enter whatever the program says. Here the program says enter your name. Let's suppose I write my name Harry. Okay, enter. We have successfully entered the name. Now let's check, is our name entered or not. How we will do that? Write sopln and then write here a, then name, welcome to Java programming. Okay, a name, welcome to Java programming. How's that? Now since we have modified our code, we again have to compile it to check for errors. Java C user IP dot Java. Now Java user IP. Enter your name Harry, or can write I just I will go on with Harry and press enter. Now we will see the magic. Hey Harry, welcome to Java programming. As you can see here, that means we have successfully learned how to take user input. We can also move on with some integer inputs like int, n, comma, m, and then sopln, enter two numbers, then n is equal to sc dot next int, then m is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, once again press enter. What we will do, we will do some kind of manipulations like sum of n and m is equal to n plus m. So system.out.println sum of n plus m is equal to, let's check this, Java C. Oh, why I am typing? Yes, I will press the up arrow on my keyboard, then press enter. We didn't get any error. Our program is 100% correct. Once again, press the up arrow, Java user input, and press enter. Enter your name, Harry, then press enter. Enter two numbers. So first number is, let's suppose 2, second number is, let's suppose 4. So sum of 2 and 4 is 6. Congratulations to all of you. You have successfully learned how to take user input. See you in the next video. Do follow this playlist if you want to learn Java from zero to hero.